Hello everyone. In today's session, I will explain about noun and types of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. This is a common definition. आप सबको पता है, right? Then types of noun are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and again abstract noun and one or two more. So we will talk about proper noun and common noun. Proper noun are the names either of person like Ravi, Seema, places like Bhopal, Indore, or things like if you talk about things, their brand can be proper noun, but fan is a common noun. Cup, it is a common noun. Fan, why it is common? Because you will find table fan, ceiling fan, exhaust fan. So here fan is common. Now why I explained about common nouns is, today we are going to discuss in detail about these common noun. Common noun has singular form and plural form. One fan or more than one is fans, 2 fans, 5 fans or more than 1 fans. So singular means any object one and plural means more than one. Now this is the basic thing. लेकिन आज हम जो पढ़ने वाले हैं वो ये है कि what are the spelling rules of making a word plural. किसी भी शब्द को plural बनाने के लिए हम सिर्फ s नहीं लगाते. In English we add s, sometimes es, sometimes ies, at times ves or en, ren, and some other rules are also there. So I will explain all these rules in brief. First rule is if any word ends with x, sh, ch, double s or o. If the last letters of the word are out of these, then we add es to make the word plural. Examples of the such category are box, box. Plural is boxes, boxes. Brush, church, glass, class, potato, tomato. In all these words, we add es to make the word plural. Then second is if any word ends with y. If the last letter of the word is y and there is a consonant just before it. Now what are vowels and what are consonants? A, E, I, O, U. Out of 26 alphabets, these 5 are vowels. Then rest of the letters are consonants. So if there is a consonant just before y in any word, plural of that word is made by replacing that y with ies. Take example of B-A-B-Y, baby. Here last letter is y and the letter before it is b, which is a consonant. So the plural of baby is B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Similarly, copies, right, is another example of same category. Then the third rule is if last letter is y and there is a vowel before it, then we simply put s after it. Example, boy, plural of boy is boys. Here we do not replace it with ies. Then fourth is if any word ends with last letter of any word is either only f or last letters are fe. In such cases we remove them with ves. We replace them with ves. KNIFE, knife, जिसका मतलब है चाकू, इसका प्लूरल होता है KNIVES, knives. This FE is replaced by V-E-S. L-E-A-F, leaf. Here F is the last letter. The plural of leaf is L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Then fifth rule is, if any word has a vowel in the middle, we change that vowel to make the word plural. In case of man, men, जिसका मतलब है एक आदमी, more than one, the plural of a man will be men, men. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. Plural of tooth is T-E-E-T-H, teeth. When you visit a dentist and you have cavity in one tooth, एक दांत में cavity है, तो your statement will be I have cavity in my tooth. But if you have cavity in more than one, you will say I have cavity in my two teeth or in many teeth. So plural of tooth is teeth. It's not tooths or teeths. Then in cases of compound words like son-in-law, compound word is a word in which we join 2 or 3 words to make a single word. Son-in-law, जो हम हिंदी में जिनको दामाद कहते हैं, son-in-law, if any person has 2 daughters and they are married, so what will you say? He has 2 sons-in-law. Remember, the plural of son-in-law will be sons-in-law. Don't make it son-in-laws. The reason being is, here in this word, son is noun, common noun, but not in-law. So look for the noun in the compound word and then make it plural. So the 6 rules of making a word plural are by adding es, ies, simply s or ves, or changing the vowel. And the last one is other than these, there are certain irregular words which do not follow any of these rules, like child, child. Plural of child is children. Plural of ox is oxen. So follow these rules to change the word from singular to plural, and although there you would find some exceptions which do not come under these rules, but most of the words follow these spelling rules while making the word plural. Happy learning.